Hi, I'm Jessamine. I'm part of Noom's content team, and today we're going to be talking about 5 simple habit shifts for spring. Habit number 1, lightening up my meals with in-season produce. Winter had us all craving warm and cozy foods, but now I'm shifting towards fresher and lighter meals. I'm incorporating more seasonal greens, citrus, and protein-packed salads to feel more energized. When my fridge is stocked with easy and colorful options, I naturally reach for them more often. Plus, Noom makes it so easy to track what fuels my body best without overthinking it. Habit number 2, getting outside more. I didn't realize how much winter had me glued to my couch until I stepped outside for a midday walk, and I instantly felt better. Fresh air, movement, and sunshine aren't just good for you. They actually feel good too. That's the idea behind joyful movement, finding movement that feels natural, enjoyable, and easy to stick with. Some small changes that made the biggest impact were drinking my morning coffee outside, taking meetings on the go, and going on short walks instead of scrolling. None of these feel like a workout, but they help me feel more energized, boost my mood overall, and get my body moving without the pressure. Habit number 3, spring cleaning my pantry. I noticed that when my pantry is full, I always reach for the easiest thing, even if it's not what I actually want. So I did a spring pantry reset. I cleared out expired and random stuff, I restocked with easy feel-good options, and I organized ingredients so the healthy choices are the first thing I see. Habit number 4, resetting my sleep routine. Somehow, winter turned me into a night owl. The sun setting early, cozy blankets, it threw my sleep schedule off hard. But now, I'm getting back on track by setting a consistent bedtime, reducing my late night screen time, this one is rough, and making my space feel fresh and relaxing. Better sleep means better energy, and that makes everything feel easier. Habit number 5, setting new intentions. Think of it as spring cleaning for your goals. A fresh start, but without the pressure of New Year's resolutions. Instead of focusing on what I should be doing, I'm taking a step back and looking at my big picture. What actually matters to me long term? What do I truly want to focus on? Not what I think I should be doing. What small doable goals will help me get there? And how can I keep them visible so I can easily stick to them? Something as small as drinking more water or getting outside more can shift my mindset and bring me closer to my big picture. It's not about changing everything at once. It's about building habits to support the life that I want. Spring is all about fresh starts, but that doesn't mean you have to overhaul your whole life overnight. Small habit shifts like getting outside more, resetting your space, or just eating what makes you feel good can add up fast. Which one are you trying first? Let us know in the comments, and happy spring!